whipped cream, and nutmeg.
And I am thoroughly going to enjoy that.
Todd made fun of me for my pumpkin spice latte. Well, today I'm taking it even a step further. I have my instant latte mix right here. I have my instant coffee. Then, on top of that, I'm going to be adding some Lucerne Dairy Farms chocolate low-fat milk. I've never had Lucerne Dairy Farms, so I shouldn't act like it's anything special. But it was the only half gallon they had at the grocery store. So, just so you know, you don't have to go completely without while you are, you know, in the turkey woods. Since this isn't a backpack hunt, you can, you know, treat yourself a little bit. So, get that mix added in there.
Show me that packet. Turn it around. There you go.
You gonna make fun of me for Hillary coffee?
All right. Supporting the left while we're in the woods. So you take that and you got your instant coffee.
Yep, gonna add a little bit of instant coffee here, just to get a little more coffee in there, like actual coffee.
Sure.
I'm not normally a proponent of chewing your coffee, like you tend to do with some of this instant stuff. However, at the moment, just gotta get a little bit in there. Oh yeah, just a little bit. Add a little more coffee flavor. Then once you add that chocolate milk, oh yeah, totally worth it. So, put that in next. As you can see, this is our first morning in camp. I'm unsealing everything.
Yeah, that's what happens when you kill a bird the first night and you decide to get some work done.
So there we go. There's our start. Then little MSR wind burner action here, the hot stuff. Pouring it all in the Yeti mug.
Mmm.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Turkey camp latte. It's about to go down the hatch.
So this is like a Turk latte.
That's what we'll call it from here on out. You just coined a frame. Coined a frame. What am I talking about?
It's not even that early.
Hey Scott, have you had your coffee yet? No.
Todd's gonna have tea this morning. That actually looks pretty yummy.
I'm telling you, lots of years hunting mule deer, elk, turkeys, and you find out you just got to have something that makes life worth it while you're back here. Because otherwise you can be miserable and you're wondering why. A little bit of latte makes a lot of difference. Oh yeah, totally worth it.